today's video I show you how I remove and clean the air purifier. First I will stop it and I will put a new filter on. It stopped. You can see there's a lot of dust gathered here on the fan. And this is very important to clean it also, because instead of purifying the air, it does more bad than good to the air. So I will have to first clean a little bit also the fan. It's hard to clean it because I don't know how to remove this lid. This is not built to be cleaned. So I will try my best with some towel to go inside the hose, and after that I'm going to remove and put the new filter on. Cleaned the dust inside, but the problem is that the fan gathered a lot of dust, as you can see. This is a common problem with air purifiers. They gather dust inside the fan and then they will do much worse to the room, to the air inside the room. So I don't know of a way how to clean that fan. They don't come with a cleaning instruction for the fan, and it's not possible to remove this easily. It's a built-in component, as you can see. So I will do my best to clean it with whatever tools I have available at home, and hopefully all the dust from the fan will fall here and I can clean it outside. So it was hard to get inside the holes and keep the fan fixed, so I used another knife for fixing it, for keeping the fan fixed so it doesn't move while cleaning it. So like this. And with the other hand I would clean it on the outside. So once you have the fan fixed like this from underneath, you can continue cleaning each side by side by pushing the towel easily, softly and gently with this kind of knife. And I continued until I clean each wing of the fan, and I try to move from side to side and make a round like this around the fan without moving it, because we don't want to break the plastic that's the fan there. So gently we'll continue. Like this. That's the way how you clean the fan. So if you know easier way, let me know. I would love to hear it. Okay, it's almost ready. To clean the inside the fan. Now it's better, it's more or less better. At least the dust is not visible anymore in here. And it's important to clean the fan also because then the air purifier is doing more harm than good to your air in the room. So from time to time I clean it like that using these two tools and some napkin, like a cleaning cloth. If you know better way how to clean the fan inside, let me know in the comment section below. And now I'm going to put the clean filter, the new filter inside. It was also cleaned inside, like this. This should be in this direction, and we put the lid back on.